Hey guys, welcome to Naija Guy Reviews. I'm your boy Ugo. Today we have a Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. I'm going to review this and give you my thoughts about this wonderful device. We're going to start with the unboxing of this device. Um, this phone just came in a couple of days ago, and I'm going to unbox it to see what is actually inside this box. It feels a little bit light because um, this is what the box is. So let's see what it has on the inside. There used to be a time when you got a package, a phone, it will be a heavy box. But in today's market, this is all you get. So let's see what we have here. All right. Okay. Let's put that to the side. I think that's the phone. All right. So you have a charger, just a single cable, USB Type C cable, which is good. And you have a quick start guide, and you have a SIM ejector kit. Is there anything else in here? No, that is it. So that is all you get in the box. There is no charger brick. Of course, we already know that. And there's nothing else in here. So let's put this to the side. All right. So looking at this device, you can see that you can see this color right here is a lime green, and it has a. You turn it around, you see 5 cameras on there. So you have a main. The main camera is a 200 megapixel f1.7 camera. Also has a multi-directional camera. So this is a 512 gigs storage with, I believe, it's a 12 gigabytes of RAM. So this is a powerhouse right here. So if you know Samsung, you know that they make good devices. So this is in competition, I believe, with for the iPhone 14 Pro and the Google Pixel that just came out. So we're going to see if this actually stacks up with the new devices that I just mentioned. Um, Moving forward, I just set up this phone, did a quick setup to get into it, signing in. And so far, looking at the screen, you can see that it's very nice and it's quite bright. So it can go, I'm putting it to the brightest, and this is very, very bright. So this display is this is a 6.8-inch display, and it is capable of doing of 1200 nits of brightness. So this has a HDR10 plus display. So this is very, very, very nice phone. Just looking at it, well, I'm going to go right into the camera because this is the main focus of these devices. I think at this point, these phones have come to, I don't know where else they can go from here, unless you're going to like a Fold or the Z Flip. But when it comes to bar phones like this, I don't know where else there, but what other design they can come up with. So going into the camera, wow, this is a wonderful camera. This is probably the best camera that I've seen so far, and I'm not making this up. I mean, I can't zoom this enough to get the full 10x zoom and the 100x um, digital zoom, but this is very nice. So we're going to go into the setting, and right here we're going to display. So the first thing you see is the of course the light or dark mode, and then you have the motion smoothness. You have either adaptive or standard. So the standard is 60 fps, and adaptive is when if you want it to be on 120 frames per second. So um this is it right here. So this makes the phone buttery and smooth when you're scrolling to anything. And then going back still to the settings. Okay, device care. So under device care, you can see that this is a 512 gigs. Is already using 55 gigabytes, and is a 12 gigabytes of RAM. So this is a great device already. So if you have some songs in the past, you'll be very familiar with this. All right, guys. So this is a quick unboxing of the S23 Ultra. So I wanted to give my first impression on this device since I ordered it, and I could tell you that just holding this device, it feels very, very premium. And of course, I will advise getting a case for this because it feels big. If you have small hands, then um, you'll see that this phone feels pretty big. So just looking at this, um, this is definitely a good device. I know there are so many reviews out there about this phone, but this is just my quick unboxing experience, and you know, just to tell you guys what this is about. So please like, subscribe, and share so that we can grow this channel together. Thank you once again. This is Niger Guy Reviews, and I am your boy Ugo. Have a good day.